Creating a Facebook ad involves several steps, from setting up your campaign to designing the ad content. Here's a general guide to help you create a Facebook ad. 1. Access Facebook Ad Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Ad Manager. You can find it in the left sidebar or by going to business.facebook.com. 2. Choose your campaign objective. Click the plus Create button in the Ad Manager and select your campaign objective. Facebook offers various objectives such as brand awareness, traffic, conversions, lead generation, etc. Choose the one that aligns with your advertising goals. 3. Set up your ad account. If you haven't set up your ad account, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the instructions to provide necessary information and set up payment details. 4. Create your ad set. In the ad set section, define the targeting parameters for your ad, such as audience demographics, interests, and location. Set your budget and schedule for the ad set. 5. Design your ad creative. Move to the ad level and choose the format for your ad. Facebook offers various formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, etc. Upload the creative elements such as images or videos. 6. Write ad copy. Craft compelling text for your ad. This includes a headline, ad text, and a call to action button. Make sure your copy is concise, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. 7. Choose ad placements. Decide where you want your ad to appear. You can choose automatic placements or manually select platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 8. Optimize ad delivery. Choose the optimization settings based on your campaign objective. For example, if your goal is website conversions, you might optimize for conversions. 9. Review your ad. Before launching, carefully review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, creative elements, and delivery optimization. 10. Publish your ad. Once you're satisfied with the ad setup, click the Confirm or Launch button to publish your ad campaign. 11. Monitor and analyze performance. After your ad is live, use Facebook Ads Manager to monitor its performance. Track metrics such as reach, engagement, clicks, and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on the insights gained. Additional tips. Ad creative guidelines. Adhere to Facebook's ad creative guidelines regarding image size, text-to-image ratio, and other specifications. A/B testing. Consider running A/B tests with different ad creatives, copy, or targeting options to identify what resonates best with your audience. Pixel installation. If applicable, consider installing the Facebook Pixel on your website to track and measure conversions. Remember that Facebook's ad platform may evolve, so it's a good idea to refer to the latest resources and help documentation provided by Facebook for the most up-to-date information. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next videos.